Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are very happy you are here today.
In this episode, we will practice English with common daily topics.
Yes, we will talk about simple things like morning routines, breakfast, daily activities, and free time.
Our goal is simple. We want to help you speak English more easily and more confidently.
So remember the flow today. First, listen. Then discuss with us. Then listen again.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
All right, let's begin.
Topic 1. Morning routine.
Let's start with a common question. What time do you wake up?
That is a very useful sentence. Phrase, I wake up at. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Let's try together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. Good job.
Now another sentence. I wake up early. Example, I wake up early because I go to work.
Or you can say, I wake up late on weekends.
Let's make a small dialogue.
Stephanie, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
Nice. Listen again. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Great, you are learning already. Topic 2, breakfast.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
A very common question is, what do you eat for breakfast?
Repeat after me. What do you eat for breakfast? Good.
Here are some simple answers. I eat eggs. I eat toast. I eat fruit.
Here is another example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That is a great example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Let's try a small conversation.
Ronald, what do you eat for breakfast? I usually eat eggs and toast. Nice. I eat fruit and yogurt.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it is simple and quick. Listen again. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Good job. Keep listening and repeating. Topic 3. Going to work or school.
So now let's talk about work or school.
A useful sentence is, I go to work at. Example, I go to work at 9 a.m.
Students can say, I go to school at 8 a.m.
Let's repeat. I go to work at 9 a.m. Great.
Now a conversation. Stephanie, what time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Nice.
Listen again.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus. Very useful sentences. Topic 4. Daily activities.
Now let's talk about daily activities.
Here are some common phrases. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. I take a lunch break. Example, I take a lunch break at 12.
Another sentence. I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Or, I go for a short walk.
Let's try a short conversation. Stephanie, what do you do during lunch?
I eat lunch and take a short walk.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh. Listen again.
What do you do during lunch?
I eat lunch and take a short walk. Great practice. Topic 5. Free time.
Now let's talk about free time.
A common question is, what do you do in your free time? Repeat after me. What do you do in your free time?
Some simple answers. I watch movies. I read books. I listen to music. I play games.
Here's my example. I watch movies in my free time.
Nice. Here's my example. I listen to music in my free time.
Conversation. What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music and read books.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Listen again. What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music and read books.
Great job practicing. Topic 6. Shopping. Now let's talk about shopping. Shopping is a very common topic in daily conversation.
Yes, many people talk about shopping with friends or family.
Here is a useful question. What do you want to buy? Repeat after me. What do you want to buy? Good job.
Here are some simple answers. I want to buy clothes. I want to buy shoes. I want to buy groceries.
Example sentence. I want to buy a new shirt.
Another example, I want to buy fresh vegetables.
Conversation. What do you want to buy today?
I want to buy some fruit.
That sounds good.
Yes, I like fresh fruit.
Listen again. What do you want to buy today?
I want to buy some fruit.
Great practice. Topic 8. Asking prices.
So, when we shop, we often ask the price.
Here is a very important question. How much is this? Repeat after me. How much is this?
Example answer, it is $10.
Another example, it is very cheap.
Or, it is expensive.
Conversation. How much is this shirt?
It is $20.
That is a little expensive.
Yes, but it is good quality.
Listen again.
How much is this shirt?
It is $20.
Nice work.
Topic 9. Talking about weather.
Weather is a very common topic in conversation.
Yes, people talk about weather everywhere. Here is a simple sentence. The weather is nice today. Repeat after me. The weather is nice today.
Other examples, it is sunny, it is rainy, it is cloudy, it is cold.
Example sentence, it is very hot today.
Another example, I like sunny weather.
Conversation. How is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm.
That sounds perfect.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
Listen again. How is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm.
Great. Topic 10. Talking with friends.
Now let's talk about conversations with friends.
A very common question is, how are you? Repeat after me. How are you?
Some simple answers. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm doing well.
Another question, what are you doing?
Example answer, I am watching a movie.
Or, I am studying English. Conversation. Hi, Stephanie. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
What are you doing today?
I'm practicing English.
That's great.
Listen again. What are you doing today?
I'm practicing English.
Excellent. Topic 10. Weekend plans.
Now let's talk about weekend plans.
Many people ask this question on Friday. What are your plans for the weekend? Repeat after me. What are your plans for the weekend?
Simple answers. I will relax. I will watch movies. I will visit my family.
Example sentence. I will go to the park. Another example. I will meet my friends. Conversation. Stephanie, what are your plans for the weekend?
I will watch a movie.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I like relaxing on weekends.
Listen again. What are your plans for the weekend?
I will watch a movie.
Nice practice. Topic 11. Talking about hobbies.
Let's talk about hobbies.
A hobby is something you enjoy doing.
Here is a useful question. What is your hobby? Repeat after me. What is your hobby?
Example answers. My hobby is reading. My hobby is cooking. My hobby is playing football.
Here's my example. My hobby is listening to music.
And my example, my hobby is watching movies. Conversation. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
That's nice.
Yes, reading is relaxing.
Listen again. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Good job.
Topic 12. Talking about your morning routine. Hello, everyone.
Today we will practice English with a very common topic, morning routine.
Yes, everyone has a morning routine. It means the things we do every morning.
Exactly. A routine is something we do again and again, every day.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Let's say it again together. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job. Maybe you wake up earlier. You can say, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Or maybe later. I wake up at 8 a.m.
Nice. After waking up, many people brush their teeth.
Yes. Listen carefully. I brush my teeth.
Now repeat. I brush my teeth.
Another common sentence. I wash my face.
Let's say it again. I wash my face.
Great. After that, many people drink water.
Example sentence. I drink a glass of water.
Listen again. I drink a glass of water.
Your turn. I drink a glass of water.
Good job. You are improving already.
Mini conversation. Ronald, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Nice. What do you do after that?
First, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face.
That sounds like a good routine.
Phrase practice. Let's practice some useful morning phrases.
Phrase 1. Wake up. Example. I wake up early.
Phrase 2. Get out of bed. Example. I get out of bed at 7.
Phrase 3. Take a shower. Example. I take a shower in the morning.
Let's repeat together. Wake up. Get out of bed. Take a shower.
One more time. Wake up. Get out of bed. Take a shower.
Perfect.
Real life example. Here is a simple morning routine example. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I take shower. Then I eat breakfast.
Let's listen again. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I take a shower. Then I eat breakfast.
Great work. Topic 14. Talking about breakfast.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Example sentence. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Repeat after us. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Some people eat a quick breakfast.
Example. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Another example. I eat bread and eggs.
Let's repeat. I eat bread and eggs.
You can also say, I drink tea in the morning.
Or you can say, I drink coffee.
Small dialogue. Stephanie, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
Nice. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Topic 15. Going to work or school.
Now, let's talk about going to work or school. Many people say, I go to work at 9.
Students can say, I go to school at 8.
Another useful phrase, I leave home at 8.
Repeat with us. I leave home at 8.
How do you travel?
Example sentences. I take the bus. I ride a bike. I walk to school.
Listening practice. Listen carefully. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. Then I go to work.
Now listen again. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. Then I go to work.
Did you understand? Great.
Wrap up. Today we practiced many useful phrases. Wake up, brush teeth, drink water, eat breakfast, go to work.
Try to say these sentences every morning. Practice makes progress.
And remember, small practice every day helps your English grow.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
We love reading your answers.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.